So we've talked about it for a little while now, but it's finally time to put this baby to the test and show you some out of the drone footage, unedited, very raw, and there's a lot of takeaways, but to summarize it really quick, the default settings, like a lot of other YouTubers and other reviewers have stated, are really overblown. So this little sensor here on the DJI Neo is by far not the best in the game, which is, I guess, to be expected at a $200 price point. However, they're selling this as a 4K, almost cinema drone. I know that's a little bit of a stretch, and that's not the verbiage that DJI is using. That's our own jargon here. But if you want to use this as an FPV drone to get some really cool flight footage and swoops and dives, this is probably not going to be the best way to go. This is a beginner drone, but it does have a lot of capabilities outside of all the different controlling aspects of it, including FPV, like we said, that really kind of cause pause depending on what you want to use this for. I don't think anybody looking at the Avata 2 is going to opt for a Neo, but in case you're looking for that, I'll pause it right now. Yes, in FPV mode, you can fly this in sport mode and get about 32-ish miles an hour when you're flying this. However, it is not going to be as fun in the same exact scenario as the Avata would be. Now, if you're looking just to have some extra little footage to follow you around, biking, running, product reviews, perhaps car videos, which is what we're going to use it for as well, this could very well be a good fit. As you can see here, as I've been talking, there is a lot to see and a lot to like about this footage, but the first takeaway is that all 4K is not treated the same. The moment you see 4K, you think this is going to be some of the best footage out there. That is just not the case currently with the Neo. That's not saying with some software updates, the actual color algorithms might not improve. However, this isn't going to give you Air or Avata quality from recording this. Now, there's obviously going to be other opportunities out there for this drone to just be fun if you're not looking to really post on social or just keep it for memory's sake. This is going to be a very fun drone to use, or for kids trying to get in the market, or for somebody just trying drones, like we said, as a beginner. So, by no means is this a bad drone. I'm actually having a lot of fun flying with it, but keep in mind the very low flight time. You're going to want to buy those spare batteries or the Fly More combo. However you decide to do it, one battery is definitely not going to cut it with this drone. Aside from that, if you are looking to expand your storage, there's nothing for that on this drone as well, so you are really hindered by the internal storage on this drone itself. And the only way to get footage out of it is either connecting to this via the Wi-Fi direct sync to transfer files over to your phone, or using that USB port on the back here to your computer and offloading. I bring this up because this is going to be something very important to remember, because unlike how in drones past, if you have 128 gig, 256, whatever your storage card of choice is, you always had the flexibility to just, come and go as you please, interchange them. That's not an option here with the Neo either. You're going to have to be mindful at all times of actually what your storage is and what remains to continue to record. So again, short video, couple quick takeaways from here. I hope you like it. We flew on a perfectly, blue sky day. This is ideal flying and recording conditions. Let us know what you think in the comments below. I'll throw those affiliate links up as well to pick this up from Best Buy and Amazon. I greatly appreciate it if you use that link. It helps out the channel tremendously. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.